Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are doing something completely different. We are gonna do a cleanup with me and we are gonna do the kids' room. But let me give you an overview of what we're dealing with today. It's a lot. Mom. Brace yourselves. Also, I just redid some of the stuff in the room. I wish I would have filmed that earlier, but whatevs. All right, you wanna show them your messy room? All right, so here's what we got going on over here. It's a hot mess express. This bedroom is like on the complete opposite side of where we hang out, so they tend to come in here and they never sleep in here anyway, so we're gonna get rid of the crib, figure out what toys to keep and get rid of, and just organize it. And then we also have the closet here. Now I have actually cleaned this out recently and then the kids got in here and destroyed it. So maybe this will be a part 2 video on this channel. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, whatever. All right, let's get started.
Mommy got moved my kitchen out of my room, and Mommy's gonna put his crib in my bed. Hi. Mommy just moving. Look a sure.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Alright, so we have some progress. This has not moved. Well, there was progress. Now they are destroying it, but I moved that over there. Crib is gone. This is now open. We're gonna put their kitchen here. I got rid of a couple toys. I think I might get rid of a few more. But I tried to go through this basket and they will not let me, so they will not let me get rid of any of their stuffed animals. So that is why it looks like this. She nearly had a heart attack that I was trying to get rid of some of her stuffed animals. So this is where we're at. This, I need to figure out what's in there, but oh yeah, beautiful. I will have to figure out how to get that off.
I got kids.
You got kids?
Yeah, 2 of them.
Wow. All right, so now gotta clean up this area, organize the books, go through the books, see what I can get rid of, bring in the kitchen from the living room, and figure out where everything else is going.